the request of the Washington State Police, the Washington Emergency Alert System has been activated to assist in the broadcast of an Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, an Amber Alert has been declared. Police are investigating the scene of a child abduction at Watershed Trail Park in Olympia, Washington. Emma Grace Franklin, a white 8-year-old female with blue eyes and blonde hair, was last seen at Watershed Trail Park at 9:00 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. She was last seen to be wearing a pink t-shirt, blue jeans and white sneakers and is believed to be in extreme danger. Details about the suspect's appearance are unknown at this time, but he was believed to be wearing a black suit and a white face mask. If you have any information regarding Emma Franklin or the unknown suspect, please contact the Olympia Police Department at 360-704-2740. Repeating, the number is 360-704-2740. This concludes this Amber Alert.